This is a quick review for this Hornit Mini. This is a sound machine slash headlight for bikes. This is pretty cool. It's got some different light modes you can toggle through. Right now it's just on white bright. It's got a slow blink, a faster blink, and then it actually turns into green, a slow green, and then a faster green blink as well. And then the cool part about it is all the sounds. There's 25, they range from like a laser to a train to a bunch of different horns and different sounds like that are available. And I toggle through them up and down here with these arrows. And then the button to make the sound go off is right here on the handlebar. That's the train sound. It's just this little wire that wraps, we've got it wrapped around the handlebar kind of out of the way. Then it hooks into the bottom here. And there's a way to change the volume as well right here for the sound. There's also another way to trigger the sound, which is to press this button right here. So you both this button and the button on the handlebar invoke the sound. Pretty cool. It straps on to basically any handlebar because it uses these rubber straps. It doesn't even have like one of those standard mounts like this reflector does. That plastic mount is for the reflector. That's not for the Hornit. It just takes these rubber ones. There's one on each side, so you can quickly and easily attach it to any bike or probably a scooter. Anything with a handlebar, really, you can attach it. They're really cool for a kid that's just got a big imagination and wants to pretend like he's one of 25 different sounds that come out of this. These Hornit Minis are pretty cool.